Your phone just became a hand warmer, and you have no idea it might be slowly killing itself right now. We've all been there. You're scrolling TikTok, playing a game, recording a video. Suddenly your phone feels like it could fry an egg. But here's what blew my mind when I researched this. Your phone heating up isn't just annoying. It's actually a cry for help. And the crazy part? Most people are unknowingly doing 3 specific things every single day. Things that are literally cooking their phones from the inside out. So if you've ever wondered why your phone gets hot, why it happens at the worst possible moments, and most importantly, how to stop it before it causes permanent damage, stick around, because what I'm about to show you will change how you use your phone forever. What's really happening inside your phone? First, let's talk about what's actually happening inside your phone when it heats up. Your phone has a tiny computer processor. It's basically a microscopic city of transistors working at lightning speed. Every time you open an app, take a photo, or even just unlock your screen, millions of electrical signals are racing around creating heat. But here's the first shocking thing most people don't know. Modern phones generate enough heat to literally cook food. I'm not kidding. Tech YouTubers have actually fried eggs on overheating phones. Now remember those 3 things I mentioned? The ones you're probably doing wrong? Here they are. Number 1, leaving your phone in direct sunlight, even for just 15 minutes. Your phone's internal temperature can spike to over 120 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to trigger permanent battery damage. Number 2, using cheap charging cables. Here's what's insane. Knockoff chargers can make your phone work 40% harder to charge. That generates massive amounts of unnecessary heat. And number 3, this one's gonna hurt. Keeping your phone case on while charging or gaming. I know, we all love our cases, but they're like putting a winter coat on your phone in the desert. But wait, it gets worse. Did you know that every time your phone overheats, your battery literally loses days off its lifespan? It's called thermal degradation, and it's happening right now in your pocket. Here's the math that shocked me. A phone that regularly runs hot will lose about 20% of its battery capacity within just 1 year. That's why your 2-year-old phone dies so fast. It's not planned obsolescence. It's heat damage. Okay, so here's something that sounds crazy but actually works. Professional phone repair techs use this one weird trick. They put overheating phones in rice. But not for the reason you think. It's not about moisture. Rice actually acts as a heat sink. It slowly draws thermal energy away from your device. 5 minutes in a bowl of rice can drop your phone's temperature by 15 to 20 degrees. But honestly, there's an even better solution. One that doesn't involve your dinner ingredients. The ultimate phone cooling strategy. The secret is understanding your phone's thermal management system. Every smartphone has built-in temperature sensors. They slow down performance when things get too hot. It's like your phone's survival mode. So here's what you need to do. Close background apps you're not using. They're like having a bunch of tiny heaters running 24/7. Turn off location services for apps that don't need it. And never, ever charge your phone under a pillow or blanket. But the game changer? Keep your phone between 32 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the sweet spot where your battery stays healthy and your processor runs smoothly. So let's recap the phone-saving knowledge we just dropped. Your phone heats up because its processor is working overtime. But the real danger is thermal damage to your battery. Avoid direct sunlight. Ditch cheap chargers. Remove cases during intensive use. And keep background apps in check. Remember, a cool phone is a happy phone. And a happy phone lasts years longer. If this video just saved your phone from an early grave, smash that like button. And if you want more tech tips that actually work, hit subscribe. How about some insane smartphone hacks coming next week that'll blow your mind? Drop a comment below. What's the hottest your phone has ever gotten? I'll see you in the next one.